What's up everybody and welcome back. My name is Munir, also known as the cleanest man on earth. That's right, it's me. And I'm sorry if I'm making this video in the car. I know it's kind of noisy, but it's a very busy day and therefore I wanted to start making my videos whenever I can. In this video, I wanted to talk about how I'm able to make money every single day, 7 days a week. Now there's many ways for someone to be doing that, but in my case I decided to focus my energy on services because that's what I'm good at. I'm good at providing a service. Almost all my businesses are surrounded providing a service for certain customers. When I talk about services, I mean I'm not selling a product per se. For example, I started in the cleaning industry and therefore I was providing a service of dry cleaning, laundry to start with, but with time I was able to introduce new services to my clients. Here are some examples of the services that I'm offering. So the main business was dry cleaning and laundry cleaning, and then we went into commercial cleaning. That means going into offices to do some cleaning, as well as residential cleaning, alterations, carpet cleaning, leather and suede cleaning. And then my mind started going off different routes, and I said, since I'm in the garment industry, why not do some vinyl printing, because I always wanted to do some vinyl printing. And then it moved up to screen printing, and I'm soon investing into an embroidery machine because embroidery is a craft that is slowly dying, but people are still needing this service, and therefore I saw an opportunity right there. I was always in the service industry, but then I thought to myself, why not sell a product, but a product that I believe in? And therefore I found someone that had the same vision as me, and we decided to do a partnership to start selling some products, natural products for hair growth and for beard growth as well. I know it sounds crazy because there's a lot, but by managing my time properly, I'm able to look at all these businesses daily and see what we need in order to grow. Of course, hiring people is the best way for you not to be needed at a certain place, and you're able to think of new ideas, start new processes, start new businesses in order for you to always have a stream of income. The beauty of all these services is that anyone could do them, because at the end of the day, these services are always going to be required, always going to be needed. And especially in these times, you're able to open a business very easily when it comes to cleaning, because everyone is going to need some cleaning done to protect themselves and their family. The way I think is very simple. I look at all the things that maybe I will need one day in my life and see a business opportunity. You have to be an opportunist in order for you to start new businesses over and over again. And you also have to be creative in order for your product to look great and for people to know who you are. Now, I'm not saying that everything that I start is a winner. Absolutely not. If anything, 80% of what I start fails, or I give up because I don't see any sales coming in. Now, of course, there's a lot of patience. I had to build this character. In over 4 years, I was able to learn a lot about all kinds of businesses, see how I can better myself every single day. And also, I try to create a platform in order for myself to be comfortable in, and I don't jump steps. I go day by day, I go slowly, and I'm very mindful of the things that I have to do in order to accomplish what needs to be done. And in order for me to take on all these things is I have to set small little goals every single day. If you compound all this time, it allows me to have multiple streams of income, and therefore making money every single day, 7 days a week. In order for you to generate money every single day, you absolutely have to think about ways for you to make money without you being there doing the work, because time is the most valuable currency. Once that mindset is set in stone, you understand that you can't be everywhere at all times, and therefore you have to have trusted people doing the work for you, as well as finding new ways for you to make money without even being there. And I'll give you an example. Something that I talked about a lot in early videos was the third-party businesses. Third-party businesses means that you are a third party for two people that need something. Example, the carpet cleaning business generates a lot of revenue for my company, but the way I do it is I find someone that is able to clean carpets, and I find the customers and I connect them together and I collect in between. The way I did it for this example was I found someone that was really good in cleaning carpets and was independent. You can't go see big companies because they're gonna charge you a lot of money. I went to see a guy that does this out of his garage. I tested his carpet cleaning skills and I really liked it. And I told him, Make me a super deal and I'll bring you a ton of customers. That's what he did. He gave me a super deal. For some carpets, he charges me 50 cents a square foot. And what I do is that I double that amount to the customer. So if a customer comes with a carpet, I give it to my friend Christian. He cleans it. If the carpet comes out to $40, I charge $80 plus tax to the customer and I give him his cut. Without doing any work, all I do is get as much customers as possible for him to be busy, and I'm making some revenues every single week. It might seem hard, but it's not that hard, because the way I did it initially was for me to be in the cleaning industry and then trying to find as many services as possible that is in the same niche. And then once I got comfortable and I, put some time and work into it, I was comfortable enough to go elsewhere and start businesses that are not related to my industry. Because the number one way for you to make multiple streams of income is to establish first a business that is going to bring you some revenues. Using that revenue, you will not put it in your pocket and start spending on watches and clothes. What you're going to do is put it back into the business and save up a certain amount until you can start a new service, start a new product line, or whatever field that you're in. So yes, it takes a lot of patience. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is practicality in real life. In business, just like anywhere else, it takes a lot of time for you to be an authority, and you're gonna have to put that time and hard work into it. In my first 2 years, I was working 16 hours a day, non-stop. I had crazy bags under my eyes because I wanted to take it all, I wanted to learn it all, and I wanted to do everything myself. What I learned in the past 4 to 5 years is that I had to delegate a lot of things in order for me to make more revenues. And that's what you need to learn. You have to go through the learning curve in order for you to achieve certain things. Now, it doesn't mean that you have to do things just like I did them. Absolutely not. If you have the resources and the money to start multiple businesses, I totally suggest it, because Warren Buffett always said that the person who doesn't make multiple streams of income will never be wealthy. And that's what I'm trying to do. But the number one tip that I can give you when it comes to trying to make money every single day, 7 days a week, is to be consistent. You have to be consistent with absolutely everything that you're doing. And in order for you to be consistent, you have to be disciplined. Yes, motivation comes a long way, but it doesn't pay the bills. Discipline and consistency does. And the last point I want to bring is fear. A lot of people are fearful of failure, and that's why they either don't go along with their ideas, they don't set goals, or they don't even actually do the things that they want to do because they're afraid, because they have a family to feed or anything like that. I totally understand that, and I come from that. But I also learned that in life, no one is going to give you anything, and therefore you have to go get it yourself. So the way for you to make money every single day is absolutely mindset first. Once you have the mindset and it's actually set a stone in your mind, then you can go ahead and chase your dreams. In a future video, I'm going to break down how much money I'm making every single day, and I'm going to divide it with all the industries that I'm in. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please smash the like button for more videos, subscribe to the channel. Let's build an entrepreneurship community so we can all help out each other to be the best versions of ourselves and to actually make revenues every single day of our lives. Until next time, guys, ciao.